Imagine walking into your living room and seeing a small creature with patchy, uneven fur, piercing yellow eyes, and a face that looks like it just stepped out of a full moon legend. Your first instinct might be to take a step back. Is that a wolf? A fox? Some kind of wild animal that should not be sitting on your couch? And then it meows! What you are looking at is not a wolf, not a monster, and definitely not something supernatural. It is a cat. A very real, very domestic, and absolutely fascinating cat known as the Lykoi. The Lykoi cat, often called the werewolf cat, is one of the most visually striking breeds in the entire world. Its name comes from the Greek word for wolf, and once you see one, you will understand exactly why. The Lykoi has a naturally thin, patchy coat that grows in uneven patterns, leaving parts of its face around the eyes, muzzle, and nose completely bare. This gives the cat a raw, almost haunted appearance, as if it is mid-transformation under a Halloween moon. The fur that does grow in is typically a round black and white pattern, creating a salt and pepper, wolf-like texture that feels as wild as it looks. The eyes are large, wide, and deeply intense, often a pale gold or amber that seems to glow in low light. Standing still, this cat looks like a creature from a fairy tale. Moving through a hallway at night, it looks like something else entirely. But here is what makes the Lykoi even more remarkable. This is not the result of selective breeding with wild cats or any kind of experimental crossbreeding. The Lykoi developed entirely from a natural genetic mutation found in ordinary domestic shorthair cats. In 2010, a Tennessee couple named Johnny and Brittany Gobble, both veterinarians, discovered 2 litters of kittens that had this extraordinary wolf-like appearance. Genetic testing confirmed the mutation was natural and not linked to any known disease or health defect. Working carefully, they began a dedicated breeding program, and the Lykoi was officially recognized as a breed by the International Cat Association in 2017. Everything that makes this cat look wild came entirely from nature itself. Now here is something that surprises almost everyone who learns about the Lykoi. Despite looking like a creature that belongs in a dark forest, the Lykoi is one of the most affectionate, playful, and people-oriented cats you will ever meet. These cats bond deeply with their human families. They are curious explorers, natural hunters who love to stalk and pounce on toys, and highly intelligent animals that enjoy learning and problem-solving. Owners describe them as dog-like in their loyalty, often following their people from room to room, wanting to be part of whatever is happening. They are social with other animals too, though they do have a natural hunting instinct that keeps them sharp and engaged. If you are enjoying learning about this incredible breed, go ahead and hit that like button right now. And if you want more videos about rare, unusual, and fascinating animals, subscribe to this channel so you never miss one. Drop a comment below if you have ever seen a cat this wild-looking in real life. We would love to hear from you. Here are a few surprising facts most people do not know about the Lykoi. First, their unusual coat actually sheds completely and regrows over time, meaning the same cat can look almost fully furred in one season and nearly bald in another. Second, despite their sparse fur, Lykoi cats are not hypoallergenic. Third, because of how rare and carefully bred they are, Lykoi kittens can cost anywhere from $1,500 to $2,500 or more. And perhaps most surprising of all, research has shown that the gene responsible for the Lykoi's appearance can randomly appear in unrelated cat populations around the world, meaning nature keeps producing this werewolf look entirely on its own. So the next time you see a photo of a creature that looks like a wolf dressed as a cat, or a cat dressed as a nightmare, remember what you now know. The Lykoi is not scary. It is not dangerous. It is not even wild. Underneath all that haunted, wolf-like fur is a loving, loyal, endlessly curious companion that simply wants to curl up with its favorite human. The Lykoi is proof that nature has a sense of drama, and sometimes the most mysterious-looking things in the world just want to be loved. Even werewolves, it turns out, need a warm lap to sleep on.